Today we will discuss fractional laser skin resurfacing, or to be more technically correct, a fractional erbium YAG laser. It's a very versatile treatment, and I say that because the same treatment simultaneously can work on fine lines, preventing aging, it can reduce your acne scarring, also improve your texture and tone. Let me take you through the entire process. When you come in for the first time, generally we go through a detailed consultation, understanding your skin requirements, your ideal goal for improvement of your skin, timelines as well as budget that you have in mind. After a discussion, we generally chalk out a customized plan for each individual, and this could include a good home care routine and a couple of combination of treatments including the fractional skin resurfacing. How the laser exactly works is, the laser beam is broken or fractionated into hundreds of micro beams into a checkerboard fashion. And when the laser is targeted on the skin, it interacts with both the outer layer and the inner layer of the skin. So while the fractional beam ablates gently the outer layer of the skin, it also helps the skin resurface. What that means or what it translates to is that the skin will be more retextured, it will be smoother, there will be lesser fine lines, and the skin will have lesser pigmentation. The laser also creates gentle heat in the inner layers of the skin, which is our dermis. And in the dermis, the heat will gently promote our skin to produce more collagen, translating into better texture, lesser pores, lesser acne scars, and delaying fine line formation. Your session will generally start with gently cleansing your skin, and the second step is application of numbing cream for around 30 to 60 minutes. Most patients actually do not require any numbing because the procedure itself is pain-free. There is just a gentle sensation of warmth during the treatment. As we begin the treatment, the laser beam is gently painted all over the face and neck, approximately taking around 12 to 15 minutes for the entire treatment. Since the laser works on heat, there is a sensation of warmth and stinging which is there for a couple of minutes after the laser treatment. And to minimize that heat and to maximize your comfort, generally we give a good ice pack for a couple of minutes. Post the ice pack, a recovery cream and a sunscreen is applied. You can expect your skin to be slightly flaky from the third day onwards. Basically, you will see micro crusts. So where the fractionated beam has interacted with the skin, those checkerboard pattern will start to crust on the third, fourth day and fall off within the first 7 days. Make sure that in these first 7 days, you are gentle with your skin, applying the prescribed recovery cream a couple of times a day and not exposed to harsh and continuous sunlight. The treatment can be customized depending on your skin concern. That means one could do the entire face and neck or do only the areas like acne scars. It's an excellent treatment to treat the area around the skin for treating fine lines and pigmentation. Another popular indication is the back of our hands. It's something which we neglect and that really shows our age. The treatment also works for mild stretch marks, especially when combined with other techniques like PRP for stretch marks. So all in all, it's a quick treatment, painless and very short downtime. If you have heard about fractional skin resurfacing and have any queries, please comment.